Long time no vlog. So today is Sunday. I'm currently cleaning kasi I've had a tamad 2 weeks na already. Tamad season for 2 weeks, and I don't like staying in my room for long periods of time because it's dirty and really dirty. I mean, it's makalat. So I'm gonna show you. See? It's makalat. So I'm trying to clean now, and then after this we're going to see our friend Laika and her sister, and we're gonna go to the beach. So see you later. This is the beach outfit.
Yeah.
I'm going to vlog our day today.
Ako ang nag-influence si Sweet mag-sims.
Unsa? What?
I'm the one who influenced you.
Okay.
I think I wanna
Yeah,
edit the school.
Guys, dugay na kayo siya dito. Yesterday, kaya more na igo siya sa mga window. Ano siya phone? Ito namatay na. Here is Storm checking the birds' current situation, as if dili na niya pat yun if doon niya with dead shoes. Come here na! Ay!
So hi guys, I'm taking over Sweet's vlog and we're on our way to the beach. Here in the front, driving is our Madam Brie. Pila siya kanan. Oh, camera. Say hi. So, how I don't know why my dog is like that. Her mom is not like that. I'm a very approachable person, but my dog is not an approachable dog. Everyone in the back. Nala. Oh, Bianca complain nga bahudog baba si Nala. Okay, Nala, look. Look
Nala.
at the camera.
Camera.
Nala.
Nay!
So, wa kay ma-expect sa mong mga iro. Kaya mong mga iro na attitude. Diba?
Ano na daw ka attitude nun?
mo nga magaling! Come on! Bre, dagan! Padulaaran na sila, sweet. Pragtas. Nagdiira na sila. Isa. Padalaw yung isa ka iro. Nose to nose. Di siya ganahan. Dili niya ganyan mag nose to nose ni mo. Nala.
Nala, guys, is scared of the waves. That's why we can't go swimming. Because as you can see, the waves are so very, very big. And Nala is scared of the waves. So now we're just laying in the beach and enjoying the view. Hi guys, so tapos na yung araw namin and I was not able to record the rest of the day. But now we are in my room na. We are ready to sleep and I just remembered na gusto ko pala ma-try na ma-ending vlog ko properly. So this is me saying goodbye. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Nala, say good night na and bye. Bye everyone. Good night.